If you're looking for your next investment opportunity in Gordon Square, this one's for you. Pay attention. We're here checking out my latest imagination renovation here, and we are gonna be hitting the market next week. I'm so excited. So if you hear some hammering in the background, we're finishing it up, but this is gonna be an amazing investment opportunity. I am just checking out this floor that I am obsessed with. Yes, I picked it out, but I am in love. And I love this granite countertop. The investor is gonna be super happy because this is completely turnkey. We have a brand new HVAC system. We have brand new windows. The house is gonna be completely lead-based paint abatement certified. So all you have to do is start collecting rent. As you can see, my guys are still finishing up in the background, but we are almost complete with this imagination renovation. This is a complete turnkey investment property. I think I've said that before, but it is. So you've got a tenant here moving in paying $1,075, another tenant downstairs paying $1,100, and my one bedroom upstairs paying $450 a month. That's on month to month. You can actually convert that into an Airbnb when they decide to move and have even more additional value add to your investment portfolio.